turning, petrol burning, tearing down the highway at 110. Overtaking, sudden braking, cruising through the city streets again and again. My type of driving's adrenaline led, accelerating full speed ahead. Fuel injection is perfection in the sports car with the switchblade doors. Heavy wheeling, rubber peeling, I take my girl out for an edge of seat ride. Turbo power, people cower when they see me coming, they just move to one side. The journey's thrilling from the start to the end. Just watch me take that narrow hairpin bend. Power steering is most endearing in the sports car with the switchblade doors. Engine roaring, ego soaring, I slam my foot down on the throttle once more. High emission, it's my decision. Please someone tell me if I'm breaking the law. If you want a roadster, take my advice. Modest coupe, it just won't suffice. Far better to go and get her when your sports car with the switchblade doors. I got the sports car with the switchblade doors. I got the sports car with the switchblade doors.